1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of fresh black grape juice, 1 cup of organic unbleached cane sugar, lemon zest peel from 3 lemons, lemon slices, mint leaves for garnishing, and 4 cups of water. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar and lemon zest peel, and bring it to a boil. Cover and cook on low for 5 minutes. Remove from the heat and discard the lemon peel and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now add lemon juice and mix it well. Pour it in the pitcher and add remaining 2 cups of water and grape juice. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Add some ice cubes, lemon slices, mint leaves, or even you can add some cherries too. Perfect refreshing juice for this summer.